Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Organizing the Kitchen series. Today, this is what we're working with. You guys, there's a lot of stuff in there. Dish towels, crystal, glass, plates. Underneath all of that is some plastic bins that I have my tier tray decor in. So we'll go through that as well. So if you need some motivation, or if you just want to watch me clean all this out and organize it, I would love for you to join me. So let's get started. Gonna take everything. So today is day 2 of cleaning out this cabinet and this drawer. I have got them both emptied, and I have gone through the dish towels and separated them out to what I want to keep, what's holiday, and what I want to get rid of. So let's get started filling these 2 back up. So I have finished putting the dish towels that I want to keep in the drawer. And now what is left, this is like table linens, table runners, special dish towels that I like to decorate with. So hopefully I'm able to put what I can in this plastic bin. And let's see if I can keep all of them. Now that that's done, I'm going to set this basket down here for the time being, because this is where it is eventually going to go. So let's move on to the next task. Well, I thought I was done with the dish towels. I walked into the pantry and started digging, and this is what I found. A box full of dish towels. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to sort these behind the camera so you guys don't have to watch all of that. And then we'll get started on the next task. See you in a little bit. After sorting through the box, found some more decorative towels, table runners, and napkins to try to stuff into that cabinet or that basket. And then this is all holiday. So, unfortunately, I think I need to weed some down, but I like all of them. So, let's see what I could do with these and try to keep some. What do you think? Or should I get rid of some? Let me know in the comments. This is how the drawer turned out. I did get rid of a bunch. However, I could not get rid of any of the holiday right now. So I put all of that back into that box and put it in the pantry until I get the bottom cabinet figured out. And then hopefully I can get it to fit down in here somewhere. And if not, I'll have to make myself get rid of stuff. So that is all for tonight. I'm losing light, as you can probably tell. And I will pick up tomorrow. See you then. So I have decided to go in a different direction for this cabinet. As you can tell, I've already got the cookware lids down there. But I'm going to try to fit all of this in there. So let's see what fits, and let's see what has to be donated. This is how the cabinet turned out. I was able to fit everything in there. And yes, I think I need a new skillet, but it still works. But I have all my cooking, baking, casserole, pie crust, lids, and ice cream containers in there. So all of that fit. Let's do one more look of the drawer. And that's how that turned out. 24 hours later, it still looks good. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Hope I motivated you to do some cleaning in your cabinets. And stay tuned for the next video, which will be a couple more cabinets. And I'll see you soon. Bye.